Hello, my name is Sahshah Kosen Middleton from the San Francisco Bay Area chapter of Sogetsu. I'd like to thank Mariella for inviting me to do a demonstration for the Sogetsu, Ecuador. This is my first arrangement. I'm using 17 gauge wire and I'm using drinking straws. And I'm putting the drinking straws into the holes like this. And I'm just adding them as we go. And then I'm going to bend it and create triangles and squares that I will make this structure. And for this, I'm going to use some heliconia, and I'm going to put the heliconia in here. And as you can see, I have removed the stems of the heliconia to make it a little easier. And then I'll cut this and put it over here. It's a little bit long. Readjust it and put it over here. And for my finishing touch, I like to take flax and I split it and remove the vein. When you bend flax, if you bend it this way with the front, it's a bit crinkly. But if you bend it from the back, it's much smoother. So I'm going to add some flax to my material, creating more triangles, repeating the shape. And this will add some interest to the arrangement. And it's good to repeat forms and shapes. And this is my first arrangement, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Hello, and for my second arrangement, I have created this sculpture with eucalyptus bark. I just take some eucalyptus bark, make sure to soak it so you can bend it. And what I do is I put a little elbows glue with water and I stick them together, and I use a clothespin to hold it together while the glue dries. Then I take gold leaf and I use the diluted Elmo's glue and stick the gold leaf onto the sculpture to add more interest to my arrangement. And I'm going to be using peonies as part of my arrangement. And I'm going to create a nice structure, trying to keep most of the flowers to one side. And I've used a little bit of these chrysanthemums for a little interest. I do have a Kenzan in here, and I will give information in my newsletter to Mariella. And I'm going to put one more here. A little more chrysanthemums. And for the upper level, adjusting my flowers a little bit. There. And I hope you enjoyed my arrangement. Thank you very much.